95% of hero sections fail in under 15 seconds. These two heroes are a perfect example. They look great, but they don't convert. They don't address the user's needs and they create confusion. Your hero has about 15 seconds to convince someone that your website is exactly what they are looking for. Every mistake you make increases your bounce rate. So what actually makes a great hero? Strategy. Before you design anything, you need to answer three simple questions. Who is this for? What is this? And how does it benefit the user? In this video, we are gonna use this ergonomic chair as an example, and I will show you how to grab attention and turn visitors into buyers. So who is this for? This product is for people who spend most of their day sitting and who want to feel good doing it. Think about remote workers, designers, developers, gamers, basically anyone who's tired of back pain and sore shoulders after a long day at their desk. So what's this exactly? It's an ergonomic chair designed to support your body, improve posture, and make long workdays more comfortable. It's not just about sitting, it's about working better without pain. And finally, how does it benefit the user? It reduces back and neck pain, helps you stay focused and productive, lets you work longer without discomfort. Once you have clear answers to these three questions, now we can start designing. First, I will add a super title. That is where we introduce social proof, something that instantly tells the user they can trust the product. In this case, we will add a short review. Next comes the headline. The headline's job is to grab attention emotionally. So we will use sit comfortably, work without pain. Then we add a sub-headline. This one builds clarity and explains the promise. An ergonomic chair designed to support your posture and keep you comfortable through long workdays. Now we add benefits. These don't introduce new ideas, they remove doubt and reinforce the decision. So sit longer without discomfort, stay focused and productive, and improve posture effortlessly. In other words, the headline makes them care, the sub-headline makes them understand, and the benefits make them feel safe clicking. And finally, let's add a CTA button. Nothing clever, nothing vague, just buy the chair. It's clear, it's direct, and it matches the intent of the page. We also need a navbar, so on the left we place the logo. This anchors trust and identity. Then we add a few simple labels and two icons, one for the cart and one for the user profile. Now let's talk visuals. For the background, I'm using a blue gradient. This will always depend on your brand, but the key is to choose something that complements the product, not competes with it. On the right side, we add the product. At first, the chair is floating, and while this can work for abstract or digital products, it doesn't work here. That is a real physical object. It needs to feel grounded. So therefore, we have to add shadows, and now it feels immediately more real. But we can take this even further. Instead of just showing the chair, we show a person using it. People trust people. Seeing someone comfortably using the product helps the user imagine themselves in that situation. Notice how the person is oriented towards the text, not away from it. They're relaxed, engaged, and enjoying the product. This increases trust and improves conversion. To finish things off, we add interactive hotspots. When hovered or clicked, they reveal key features. We keep one hotspot open by default, so users immediately understand that the element is interactive. This adds clarity without overwhelming the hero. And it is how you create a hero section that communicates clearly, builds trust, and converts.